everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Cookery Tips. If it is your first time, please like, share and subscribe by hitting the button underneath so you can see more of my videos. Now today we're going back. We're going back in time. Yes, we're going to make some cornflake tart. So come on, let's get on. Right, so what we're going to need today is 85 grams of cornflakes, 55 grams of butter, I've used unsalted, 115 grams of golden syrup, some jam, 25 grams of dark brown soft sugar, a pinch of salt, your short crust pastry, and also the baking beans, a flan dish and some brown baking paper. So first off, we're going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to roll out the pastry. And then we're going to fold it over onto the flan dish. A little bit tricky, and then we're going to push it down and nip it together. Now this tin that I'm using has got a base that comes from the bottom, so I'm having to cut it downwards. I can't hold it from the bottom. So once we've cut the trims off, poking the base with the fork. And then add in the brown baking powder. You press this down onto your pastry. We're using this so we can put on the baking beans, which weights the pastry down. Obviously I've used too much, so I'm just trimming the paper. So these baking beans, you can use dry peas, it's just for the weight, but the supermarkets do stock these. So then that's ready to go into the oven for 20 minutes. So while that's cooking, we'll get ready to make the mixture. And first, that's your butter. Do it on a low heat. Low to moderate, you don't want it to burn. So in goes the brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Make sure it all melts. In goes the golden syrup. You don't want it to burn, so just take your time with this. Then And add your cornflakes. Make sure they all get coated well. So once your base has come out of the oven, I've removed the beans and the paper, as you can see. If you do find that it's not quite done, just pop it back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so. And then place the jam on it, spreading it out nice and evenly. You can use raspberry jam if you prefer, I've used strawberry. Then add in the cornflakes onto the top. Give it a nice even coverage. Yep, I'm back in the oven for about 5 minutes. The kids will love it. Takes you back to being at school. Oh, wasn't that just the best? So I love doing that recipe. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon for some more delicious recipes.